Hey, this is Dasher Phil, and we're going to discuss the Dasher Rewards program updates that are effective on August the 15th, 2024. We're going to talk about a few things today about the DoorDash updates, such as the silver status tweaks. I said tweaks, not twerks! What in the world? Come on, I'm trying to run a program here. It's hard to find good help. It's hard. Anyways, we'll also be talking about the big scare that Dashers had about platinum status. Now let's look at this DoorDash email that they sent. It reads, "We made some updates to the Dasher Rewards program in your area, effective today. Scroll down to see the latest on what rewards you unlocked when you reach the silver, gold, and platinum levels." Now, when we look at the priority access to high-paying orders, now actually all this verbiage is pretty much tweaked a little bit. Not twerked, tweaked. When we look at the high access to high-paying orders, we see how the silver is still high, the gold is higher, platinum is still highest. So all of this is the same, all good. The early access is scheduling, everything's the same here. The one thing that actually scared Dashers, including myself, because since I'm platinum status, and one of my key reasons was actually Dash Now, this is what scared me the most right here. Priority access to Dash Now. It says, be first in line to start dashing when Dashing Now is available. So the verbiage there changed so much, it was a little scary because when we look at how DoorDash stated previously, it said priority access to Dash Now, you will be first in line to start dashing at any time. So that actually seems to be a big difference. And I actually took a few days to actually kind of gauge this out. Because I was like, okay, is this going to work or is it going to not work? But luckily, even it still showed when it was gray, I was still able to dash now. So I was greatly relieved, like, yeah, because that was one of my biggest perks. Is I don't like to schedule out. I don't want to have to, when things come up, I just don't want to have that weight over me. Like, oh my gosh, I scheduled this such and such time, and I have to be out there. So Dash Now is really very important to me. We also see the VIP support that seems pretty much the same as it always has. I never could tell it was VIP anyways. Priority access to large orders, get more high value large catering orders, no catering bag required. So they actually rolled this email out on the 5th of August, stating that the catering bag is no longer necessary, even though I got a catering bag when it was necessary, but I still actually use it because it's still actually pretty handy. And you also can check out my how-to video of all the bags that I do have and how I use it, where I got it from, if you want to see that link inside my channel. The discounts on DoorDash, that remains the same as well. So now as we scroll down just a little bit about silver status, gold, and platinum, everything pretty much remained the same, thank God, except for that one little tweak in the silver where is the completion rating of 95%. Everything else stayed the same. There's no telling what else DoorDash may roll out here in the future. I hope all of this answered some of your questions that you may have had of the updates that DoorDash recently sent out. So please like and subscribe, and you'll see me in your next video.